Lewis, and I will be discussing what the features of environmental laws are in the United States and other nations. What are environmental laws? According to UNCHI, environmental laws refers to any regulations enforced by local, national, and international entities that affect how humans treat the world around them. Environmental laws provide regulations to guard against pollution in air and water and protect against solid and hazardous waste and cross-media pollution. The Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA, is a regulatory agency put in place to make sure that these laws are being followed. Many features to environmental laws. Environmental laws protect against air pollution. For example, the Chernobyl nuclear meltdown, radioactive materials was released in the air. It also protects against water pollution, such as when BP released millions of barrels of oil into the Gulf of Mexico when a drill head was damaged at a deep water drilling platform. It also protects from solid and hazardous waste contamination. For example, a train carrying hazardous materials may derail and leak those hazardous materials into the soil and contaminate the area. The government tries using different types of regulations to control pollution. They use command and control regulations where standards are set up and companies are commanded to follow these regulations and are controlled in how they do it. They also use market-based mechanisms such as cap and trade or emissions fees. Information disclosure is also used to regulate pollution by publishing the number of pollutants that they have released. They also use civil and criminal enforcement, which include fines and even jail time. Managing for sustainability in business and society, stakeholders, ethics, public policy listed these as some of the U.S. environment laws. They include the Clean Air Act, Water Pollution Control Act, Safe Drinking Water Act, Hazardous Material Transport Act, Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, Toxic Substances Control Act, Pesticide Control Act, Pollution Prevention Act, and Oil Pollution Act, just to name a few. Please review these references for additional information on the subject.